In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Human body, excuse me, stands, human body stands upon one thing, upon one pillar. This pillar is called spine. Our physique, our body is erected upon our spine. Not only the human body, rather the body of each and every animal. So, the spine, without a spine, we cannot live a life, we cannot even move. We cannot even move. We can move without our legs, without even our both of our arms, without both of our legs. The life is possible. A person can not only live, rather can lead an active life. An active life is possible even without both of the legs, even without both of the arms, even without all four of the limbs. We can lead an active life. But we cannot lead an active life at all without our spine. I know a person who is Australian American, born in Australia, migrated to America. His name is Nick Vujicic. He is without all those four limbs. But he has become a celebrity there in America. He is not begging. He is not living a miserable life. He has become a celebrity. He teaches the able bodied people about how to succeed, how to be successful, and how to live a fuller life, how to live a most active and fuller life, teaching to the people with all four limbs, teaching to the people who are able bodied people. Who is the teacher being taught by whom? A person without all the four limbs was born without all those four limbs. He was born like this one. But he possesses one thing, one body part, one pillar, which is called spine. So, on the basis of spine, actually, the whole of our body and even the whole of our life depends upon our spine. So, this is the importance of the spine in our body, and the people know about it. The people, do you know how a person gets paralysis? How somebody is paralyzed? I don't know, need to go into the details, but it is the trouble with the spine. Are certain other reasons as well. I'm not a medical, I'm not a person from the medical profession, but it is the spine which is actually the pillar of the human body. Now there is an other pillar of our life as well. Spine is visible, touchable, but that pillar of our life, that pillar of our dignified life, honorable life, respectable life, independent life, there is another spine required as well. That spine is not automatically given to each and every one of us like the physical spine. It is not given to everyone else. Rather, it is given, but it is sleeping, and we need to awaken it, we need to develop it, we need to polish it, we need to strengthen it. That is the spine of willpower. I said that an honorable life, dignified life is not possible without this spine. It is a must. This spine is a must, without which we cannot survive in a dignified manner at all. Even if we are resourceful, then too we need a spine, we need a willpower to develop and to grow. To develop and to grow, we need the spine of willpower as well, along with the first spine. I'm not underestimating the importance of the first spine. I said that even a person without all four limbs can lead an active life if his her spine is okay. And contrary to that, if a person is possessing all the four limbs but the spine is damaged, she cannot live, cannot lead an active life. So, this second spine, which is not visible, which is invisible, which is intangible, which is untouchable, this is the spine of the willpower. So, willpower is not any way lesser than a spine if at all we want to live honorably. If at all we want to live a dignified life, this spine of willpower is as important as the other. I mean, after that spine, this is the most important thing ever, the most important quality ever. This too has been given to everyone else, but we need to develop it, we need to polish it, we need to let it grow, we need to protect it. We need to know that this is the most important asset we are possessing. This is something which is most important and without which we cannot live at all. This is so. So I think that we should not be missing any opportunity to develop it. We should not be missing any opportunity to develop it. This is so important that we should not be missing any opportunity to develop it. We need to protect it because if at all we are lacking this second spine, we cannot resist. We cannot resist. We cannot resist the other people. We will get collapsed if at all we are not having this second spine, which is actually the willpower. We cannot even resist ourselves. We will become self indulgent. We will spoil ourselves. And we will become a person who does not have the ability to say no. A person without this second spine, mean without a willpower, cannot take stand against someone else, cannot take stand in favor of their legitimate legitimate stand. Now I have talked about Nick Vujicic, who is the Australian American. He is without all those four limbs, but he is teaching the art of success and happiness to the people. Teaching the art of success and happiness to the people, to the able bodied people. And now there is another example as well. Look upon Afghanistan. Taliban in Afghanistan has defeated the sole superpower, not only the sole superpower, rather the whole of the NATO. The NATO forces remained there in Afghanistan for 20 long years, spent trillion plus. spent a huge amount of money, resources, lost so many their army personnel who were killed there, but still they could not defeat Taliban. Why? Because they were having a very strong willpower. It is the strength of the willpower actually. It is the strength of the willpower actually which makes us stand against the tough winds in the tough circumstances. And this actually makes us succeed. This actually makes it possible to live an honorable and dignified life. So I shall suggest you never ever waste any opportunity to develop your willpower and never allow yourself to weaken it. Make it as strong as possible. The more strong it is, I believe, the more honorable and dignified life can be lived. Jazakallah.